Good afternoon. This is Patrick McCullough, forecaster here at the National Weather Service office in San Angelo. A quick update on our possible winter weather conditions upcoming for portions of West Central Texas for Thursday and Thursday night. Again, this briefing is being updated a little before 2 p.m. on Wednesday afternoon. Again, as we've been talking about for the last several days, winter makes a return to West Central Texas on Thursday. Much colder conditions expected. In fact, I think by mid to late afternoon, almost everybody will be across the area will be in the upper 20s to low 30s across the area, and with temperatures with wind speeds blowing 15 or 25 miles an hour, wind chills will definitely be dropping into the teens and lower 20s, pretty much area wide. So much colder tomorrow. That's something we feel very certain about. A bigger question really is the possibility of some sort of winter precipitation developing as well. Right now, for at least Thursday afternoon, into early Thursday evening, through sunset or so, let's say, we do expect to see some very light, maybe some light snow flurries, maybe a little bit of freezing drizzle begin to develop late in the afternoon, early in the evening, across, say, an area from San Angelo and Sterling City east toward Brownwood and Brady, and then as far south as the Interstate 10 corridor from Azona down toward Junction. Again, we're talking about precipitation that at that point will probably be so light that we're not even really going to mention just a whole lot of any accumulation, not expecting any accumulation at all, of course. But a few snow flurries, a little bit of freezing drizzle possible, with the precipitation beginning to increase across the area probably by Thursday evening after sunset, and then continuing through the overnight hours. For Thursday night, again, precipitation chances begin to increase. The wintry weather rates begin to increase a little bit more. Again, we're talking about mainly sleet and some light snow for most areas south of Interstate 20 from Sweetwater to Abilene. Again, chances of anything really sticking are pretty low, maybe 30 or 40% for most areas. In those areas that do see a little accumulation, right now we're not talking about anything too terribly high. A lot of areas won't see hardly any accumulation other than a little bit of an ice glaze. Some areas may see snow accumulations 1/2 inch to an inch in a few locations. But again, I think we're not talking about anything like the winter storm we saw in early December. Really talking about more of a nuisance as much as anything else. Again, temperatures will be falling as well, so a little bit of glaze on ice may end up being a travel concern. But for that snow, I'm really talking about grassy areas on top of trees and houses more so than sticking to the roadway. So again, temperatures falling well into the mid-teens across the Interstate 20 corridor by Friday morning. Down toward the 15 to 20 degree mark across most of the remainder of West Central Texas. Maybe a few degrees warmer down toward Junction along the Interstate 10 corridor. But again, area-wide, a very hard freeze for much of Thursday night into Friday morning. So again, protect your pipes, plants, and pets. We'll continue to keep you updated as we get a little bit closer to the event. Things may change a little bit on the snow and ice totals, but something we'll be keeping an eye on. Thank you.